If you're using a NordVPN dedicated IP on Windows, connecting to it is actually very easy. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to find and connect to your dedicated IP on Windows 10 and 11, as well as on Windows 7 and 8.1. And if you don't have a dedicated IP yet, there's a link in the description that gives you 74% off plus 3 extra months. Before you begin, make sure you've already purchased a dedicated IP and activated it inside your Nord account. Once that's done, you're ready to go. On Windows 10 and 11, open the NordVPN app. Right below the Secure My Connection button, you should see your dedicated IP listed. Simply click it, and the app will connect automatically. You can also connect through the Specialty Servers menu. Click on Specialty Servers, hover over Dedicated IP, open the three-dot menu, and select Connect. If you prefer using search, type your dedicated IP into the search bar in the top left corner. When it appears, click it to connect. Now, if you're using Windows 7 or Windows 8.1, open the NordVPN app and look for the dedicated IP category on the left side. Hover over your dedicated IP, click the three-dot menu, choose the fastest option for your country and server, and connect. You can also use the search bar here as well. Just type in the country and server number for your dedicated IP, then click it when it appears. Once you're connected, you're all set. If you'd like to double-check that everything is working correctly, you can run a quick test using NordVPN's DNS leak checker. And that's it. If this guide helped you, feel free to use the link in the description for 74% off, plus 3 extra months added to your plan.